on travel. Let's talk about towels. This is a washcloth. Very, very common use here in America. But most Italian hotels don't have a wash towel in the shower. It's a complete different story what you find there. The quality is not the same. It's cloth, not terry or whatever cotton. This is it. So I just want to let you know, if you are going to Italy, don't be surprised. You will not find washcloth commonly used in most Italian hotels. I'm not sure about the rest of the world. I didn't pay attention, but I will pay attention for you. But the first thing most of my clients tell me when they come from Italy is like, hotels don't have a washcloth. So if you are the type of person that must have a washcloth, please bring one. Goodbye, amigos. Take care.